Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.
I'm melting. It's going in my eye.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, damn. Oof. I really like this one. I think it's really nice. Look at that. I almost feel bad taking it off, but it's gotta be done. Oop. Oh, bye. Can I pull the rest of them out? I can. Oh. Oh, not that one. Bye. So beautiful. I'm throwing her out. Bye, scary makeup. I'll see you again later. Dun. Everyone's sleeping, so I have to speak really quietly, but either way, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Honestly though, I'm living my best life right now. Now most of it is already like coming off, but I'll still take it off because it's fun. There we go. And that's all there is. Look at how cute she is. Not really, I'm throwing this out. The fake blood I use is really sweet, so it literally tastes like strawberries. It will take me like 10 makeup wipes to take this off, so I'm gonna go wash this off. I'll be right back. Yummy. Bye, lashes. Have a good day, y'all. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, and as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Welcome to part 2 of the Umbrella Academy makeup. To get things started, let's take this off. I'm gonna try not to cry while doing this. 4 hours of work gone in a second. Okay? So much internal pain right now. Alright, it is now the next day and I'm ready to get started on the second makeup. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna be doing Vanya's power at the end of the show. This is the general look I'm gonna be going for, so we can see that she's got like a smoky eye with no lashes and brows and glowing eyes. Let's do it. Her brows are just a little messy. Okay, now we gotta do the black. Messy is the key here, and this does not feel right. But it's cool, I'm gonna go put in the contacts and the outfit. So obviously I don't have the exact outfit that she does, but this is the closest thing I could find. Now let's turn off the lights. And yes, these are glow-in-the-dark contacts. I'll be posting the full transition video tomorrow, so make sure to check that out. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? If you said that it's time to take this off again, then you would be correct. I am really happy with this makeup, and I am once again really sad to be taking it off, but it is midnight, and I need to go to bed. I can't believe I decided to give toothless eyelashes. Also, if you couldn't tell, there's a lot of things on my face, so let's start taking those off. I'll do the small ones first. Yeah, never mind. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I can keep going. Ooh. I feel nothing. Okay, the big mouth. I feel nothing. I feel nothing. Now the nose. It's really funny because if I look up, you can totally tell that it's just on top of my nose, but it's fine. It's an illusion. Shh. Oh, it ripped. It's fine. We got this. Just these little horns. There is latex in my eyebrow, and I don't like that. Nightmare fuel. I am now clean and my eyebrows are still on.
Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower. I'm melting. It's going in my eye. That almost didn't work at all. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Let's do this. So I'm just going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. They smell so fresh and so clean. Let's just start on the red side. The red eyeshadow I used usually stains. This got her off so good. Halfway done. Now let's take on the yellow half. Okay, here we go. And now we're nice and clean. Thanks for watching. I'll be reading through them. Well, I need to go wash my face. I gotta leave. Take off my makeup with me, Arrow Heart Edition. I have to be on a meeting in like 5 minutes. Okay, let's get this arrow off the top of it. Ow! These are the biggest lashes I've ever had on my face. The 2 little lash spikes. I really do not know how I'm getting this off in like 3 minutes now. I'm gonna be stained pink. And I don't even have time to put on foundation to cover it. Yeah, this glitter's gonna be a problem. Let's try to get these out without getting glitter in my eyes. This is the best I can do here. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. You tried. Okay, I know what you say. I just can't speak. So how do you think we're gonna take this off?
With a lot of makeup wipes?
No.
How?
Makeup wipes are bad for the environment. We use these. Which one do you want? Pink or
Pink.
Okay.
It's moist.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Hand. No. Right on the hand, like that. Yes.
Okay, great.
What
It
is
doesn't feel great.
No.
I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Do we look scary? No. Beauty right here. Now we take these and then you just like that. Yeah.
Magic.
Just keep going. Just keep. Don't stop.
I
Yeah.
don't like this.
Right. We're just almost done taking. My sleep paralysis demon. Is that you? We're all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Whoop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person Edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have 1 eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup melt. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all of this off. I'll be right back. Much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 Deadly Sins. Yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all.
Take off my makeup with me, Zombie Minion Edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower.